ready to turn your awesome designs into sellable products without the hassle of inventory or shipping. Let's get you set up on Printify, the ultimate platform for your print-on-demand dreams. First things first, head over to Printify.com. You'll see a prominent Sign Up button. Click that, and we're on our way. Now, you'll be presented with a simple sign-up form. You can choose to sign up using your email address and a secure password. Make sure it's a password you'll remember. Alternatively, for an even quicker setup, you can opt to continue with Google or continue with Facebook if you prefer using those accounts. Once you've submitted your details, Printify will usually send a quick verification email to your inbox. Just click the link inside to confirm your email address and activate your account. And just like that, your free Printify account is created. You're now looking at your dashboard, ready to explore thousands of blank products and start bringing your unique ideas to life. From stylish apparel and sleek mugs to eye-catching wall art, Printify boasts an extensive catalog of high-quality products from reliable print providers around the globe. You're spoiled for choice. The magic of Printify is that they handle the printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer. You focus on creating amazing designs, and they take care of the rest. So don't wait. Your journey to becoming a successful print-on-demand entrepreneur begins right here. Head to Printify, set up your account, and let the creativity flow.